Okay.
Today everyone, so today let me introduce to you the basic parts and function of this vehicle. So let's go. So first is a tire to support the vehicle weight and provides traction and grip on the road. And then side mirror allow the driver to see vehicles or obstacle on both sides of the car. Then next is steering wheel used to control the direction of the vehicle from right or left. Then the next is accelerator pedal or gas pedal is to increase the engine speed and makes the car move faster. Then next is brake pedal slow down or stop the vehicle. Then next is clutch pedals engage or disengage the engine from the wheels when changing gears. Then the next is transmission gear is control the speed and power of vehicle by changing gear level. Then next is handbrake or parking brake keeps the vehicle stationary when parked or on a slope. The next is signal light indicates the direction the drivers intend to turn. The next is wiper or clean rains dirt or snow from the windshield for better visibility. And rear mirror or rear view mirror helps the driver see behind the vehicle. Then the next is the seat belt protects passengers by keeping them secure during sudden stop or collision, or to protect the drivers and passengers during the emergency. Then the next is headlight illuminate the road ahead during the night or in poor visibility. The next is windshield protect the driver and passenger from wind, dust, and debris while driving.